Look at this. We are at the Pod Hotel in New York City, and there are some really neat elevators here. These will be the lobby elevators, and the buttons on a podium. Here comes this car. It's coming down now. Look at that. We got the... Check this out. Here it goes. Very nice. We can go back down again. And of course we got to talk over the music. Come on, come on. There that goes. Look at that. Awesome. And these are just the lobby cars. All right, back up to hotel lobby floor. Let the doors close up. We'll get a view of this cab. Look at that. These are nice. All right, I really hope I don't get a copyright claim for the music. All right, here we are at the top. And watch it close up. And that's it.